So I'm here with Javi from pendulumexperience.com, the co-founder of the site. We've just done
Yes,
a conversion optimization audit for them, and
yes.
he'd like to share a couple of words about his experience with us
Oh,
so far.
I'm I'm very happy with the analysis because it's clear that you have a very precise method to apply to the websites in to improve the the conversions. Sorry, all the all the recommendations was are very good, are really good, and it's I noticed that you have what a website needs to improve the conversions, and also the method of work is very easy. The notes are very clear and easy to follow, and if you have any doubt you can resolve the doubt in the call. And very but I think that the process with the board is really clear to that you the goal is important, but it's not necessary. It's very clear the own process, and I hope that all these changes upgrade the conversion. And I think that these changes will upgrade the conversion because I have worked with Shopify and trying to update the conversion in 4 years experience, and I know that these changes will upgrade the conversion. So I'm very happy. I'm very glad with the experience, and in the future when we need further optimizations, we will contact you to to this. But,
Amazing. Yeah, that's really appreciated. One last question. Who would you say that this kind of service is best for? So who would be the ideal store
mm,
for this specific audit?
I think that all the stores, because if you begin to on Shopify, you need a very optimized website because you have low traffic or you have to start to pay the traffic with Meta, and it's costful, it's expensive. So on my opinion, on my experience on e-commerce, the first pillar of e-commerce is have uh, a good convertimized website, because if you don't have a good optimized website, you are burning money on ads or losing time on trying to get people in organic Instagram and something like that. So I think that for all the stores, for all the stores, are it's a good option. If
Excellent.
you are beginning, you have to do it, because if you don't do it, you will lose money. And if you have a more experienced website, it's also good because you are not an expert in conversion rate, and it's important to the most. I think that the most important thing to do in a e-commerce is upgrade your conversion rate. Yes, yes.
Yes, absolutely agreed. Okay, that's very good. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on working together, and I look forward to
You're
talk to you
welcome.